come host an open house with me in the Chicago suburbs. Today was a rainy day and the Bears were playing, so not the best timing, but we still had a good turnout. My office was having a fall fest today, and those were all the pumpkins and the boxes. It ended up stopping raining and the sun came out, so that was good. I didn't go because I was busy, of course. I was here all alone in the morning, printing out everything that I needed, like handouts, information about the house, everything else. Realized I was gonna be starving because this was from 11 to 1, so I needed to grab a bite to eat at Trader Joe's. Love their wraps to go. Since it was raining, I decided to go with my natural curly hair and just throw it up instead of doing it. I set up shop in the dining room. I could like see around the corner the front door, so when people were coming in, I was greeting them, and then they like eventually made their way over to me so I could talk to them and give them everything. Then I went home and followed up with some contacts.